In this evening's edition of the Health Report, a medical doctor is advising persons to know their triggers for asthma and avoid them. TVJ's Shamela Polen tells us more.
Health Report is brought to you by asthma is a non-communicable disease that is quite common in the Jamaican population. The condition is usually characterized by inflammation of the airways of the lungs.
The symptoms usually include initially a cough, and then after you have shortness of breath along with wheezing. Some people who have asthma actually only have coughing at nights, and so sometimes it's difficult to make that diagnosis.
It is difficult to say what causes asthma. However, exposure to various irritants and substances such as tree, grass, pollens, mold, and dust mites are trigger factors. Dr. Kirkland says preventing asthma can be difficult as each individual has different trigger factors.
We have medications that are given that are called the preventer as opposed to the reliever. And so these preventer helps to prevent the process occurring.
Inhalers are the main treatment for asthma. An inhaler is a device holding medication that you take by breathing in. Meanwhile, Dr. Kirkland has this advice for persons with asthma.
Try and identify what triggers off the asthma and then, avoid those stimulus. And also to ensure that they take their preventers. Even though they are not going to see the immediate effect, they need to continue to take them to prevent from having the recurrent attacks.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. Health Report is brought to you by